Ok, não. Eu com o nome Àjọpọ̀ méjì àkíyàn. Edo first. Osaye meri no. Osaye meri pati egu me ugesi loi ume wen platform. Ma we no wo kan ge wa kan kara. So fa no mi akwaru nu ya kwa kan no kara. Isaga ongiriye. Saye meri no mo. Do we mia Ije weri wenu ya la saga. Who be the social media president? I want to know, now tell me, who be the social media president? Me only me man social media president TV Facebook now. More Edo voice of truth. More Edo voice of truth. The only I social media president. Man social media president TV Facebook now. Who is the social media president? Voice of Freedom. Who were me a video ni that year? I so keneo. If I say married, you go nowhere. But like we no man give Moses like promise like If I say married, I go kese brother. You wanna say you can remember? Voice of Freedom. Osaye meri no more. Alewo. Isaga orienye. Isaga eheri o megba. No. Ezagireu Asokene baba Ezagireu Asokene wagbo Ezagireu Asokene waniye Ezagireu. Okay now. So Itamu wa blanwe emi no gbina wo yo orari egbe ma ovievie nu wado ugbe group call. Yes, when I invite, I want to talk. Me want confess my own confession. Moku na call all those women come. Call me Kate, call me Voice of Freedom. If they don't know Baba with the smile, they don't fit us, they don't know me now. Inya seti karinya maheme Osaye mere Eketi. They were once my students. Mona called them come. I want okun giants. Osaye mere want to come and pretend to the social media cyberspace. You lie, you go nowhere. Mona call Osaye mere Voice of Freedom. Mona call Kate. Mona call Yeboy. 3 of them. Mona call the come. Don't play for I never you got me on no dead Bessie. They are yet gonna get it. Oh, the la mafia dough. Hey, like what am I? You wanna have Bessie again? Let me. Ça y est, mais non, maman. D'ailleurs, il y a un saga. Il y a des bébés guéris. On a la même saga. Et pour notre time, eh, on a eu ce que nous. Il va se marier. Il doit y avoir les bénéfices, mais bien que tu l'as promis là. Ou ce que nous. Il va se marier. Et nous, on va aller New Zealand. On va aller au Babana. Hein? Et on vient de ni wado. On va jamais wahati. On va que tu dis à ça. Où l'école est quoi? Il parle de l'école de banane. I need to play my guitar with my leg. I need to raise this leg. Take it. I need to cross this leg. To Samaya, baby. Gege. Social media problème. Ça générer, non more. Ije, eri waje, abi wona. Ije. Awe la wo. Ije, Sajeri, no more. You don't know why they call you that name, Sajeri, no more. Yemeri. Yes, Daddy Kuli. Apologize. Monica, I apologize. My son, JJ Boy, I apologize. Elolo, I apologize. Togbe more o, ojani more. Togbe more o, useni mose o. Togbe more o, ege mode ye. No na ogi kwetwe ona ya buere. Ube. Oya te bana na jamna no way. Hey, wano. Asoko group. Ijere. Asoko GPC. Asoko TBC. Asoko GPC. Toti kugari ba eu. Ogawe na gboge mai me usama kwe yo oko. Useni seye robo sa. Togbe more o. Ojani Asoko group patinyare. Okay. Togbe more ala soko. Abu hene kworo. GPC uhere kworo. GPC asoko soko. Asoko awoko uhege ba. What you want to condemn Europe now? A GPC yayi. Avec la vidéo présentant women on condemn a GPC yayi. Et Monica ya support. Et qu'on a la vidéo non support Monica wa rien ya condemn. Et on a beaucoup ya bebo. Me ya kere for years. Yeki. Ala. Non. Ni ya ga se no se o. Ma be kokoleti yo we ye do wa ma le ogo. Me la e private jet wa di bofu. Gege. Let's let's go there. Call me Osayere no more. About what the smile said, our attention is needed. Yes, so my people, this is Frank Victor, the one of the universe, aka the social media king. The social media coupon, the social media otutu no. The social media bomb. I just done my drink. Yes, so Baba with this man. Off work, babe. According to my brother, a new generational prophet attitude. You see, after the Jiro, they were kind of go for side to Butubu. It's at Facebook. Now I jam one video. After the Jiro, they were kind of they go for side Facebook, face me with all those people that they call Facebook. Now I jam one video. I see my beautiful sister. Voice of freedom. Voice of truth. He talk truth. He apologize to Iyonisa, to Ayoyowa, to Isusu, and GP Ibeaga. It did drag the light my attention, which was I was not having interest in listening to the apologizing. Oh God. First of all, let me play the video. Hello? I talk about real life video. Yeah. All right. Yes, my daughter. Continue. When I share this video, I will talk. Make una share this video. I use God beg una. If you don't say you never share now. I go introduce this girl to now. This woman who you call herself Sayereso. I go let you know who she be. And I go still tell you where she stay. I go tell you the man where she married. I go tell you how she take come social media. I go tell you the thing where she do. I go tell you the target for social media. When I share this video, Kate, oh dear Kate, I go tell you who she be. I go tell you how she take on social media. When I share this video, and they talk, they go know. They first know me. As I did live video since then, they know me. I don't want for their hand. I don't want to disgrace them. You understand? Not to the case of they misbehave. If not for the misbehave, we can misbehave. I do like I say I don't know her, but I know her too well. But I born like say I'm not still. I see you do our own thing. I just born like say I don't know her, like say I don't know her. You understand? Until she do that video, that confession video, which she for confession she be wish. Before I can't try to talk to her. You understand? This voice of freedom, I go sit tell you how I tell know her. When I come my boy, if my boy don't know these people, we can remind my boy who this will be. Kate and my boy will know Kate, that one my mama, because my boy and Kate they get issue before. Now let's go there. Look, I let this girl. When I share this video, when I call Force of Freedom, she's listening. She said she want to leave Saga. She not leave Saga. She dey inside. We die here. You understand? Oh. Ikiare lo bia uniga mi eme. Uga uyo totok nyare do nwe. Omo negbe dago na giwe mi ko. E ba me nya Saga Voice of Freedom. Sayeveri. Ba me nya answer where. You understand? You talk to me those years, I not send you because I see say When no Senegal, when no Senegal, no we go. Menore we go. It do really we saga no when no darkness. How can you imagine when light is fighting darkness? I supposed to give you money to eat. You understand? That's the reason why I know they send you when you do saga that time. You saga me, I don't send you. You understand? You're not there with me. You also, you write me, you talk. I don't answer you. Don't be say I don't see your write up, I don't see your message. And you see I answer, I don't answer you because why? You see, I see and say, you understand? But because of Ilalo boy, you want to claim sharp. You want to claim sharp. You and Kate. I go expose you now. And I go let you know what's in there. When I share this video. If you don't want to show what ye boy, man, these two evil women, a Kate, by voice of truth. These two demonic women, a Kate is the most demonic women. The ye boy, imagine, or men why not they forget something. I want to remind them. My brother, Efei, who hear the talk show. He go there and I go to hear waiting at the talk show. He go say, always Papa with the smile, I want down and me. God. I shake my leg, me I draw my trouser for this unveiling. You get me so? Go on. Ya give go on. Apology no. First of all, always remember my prophecy from on the 1st of this January. On the 1st of January, my prophecies remain the same and definitely come to pass. This year is a year of confession. It's a year of set loose. You understand me? So a lot of men that have been tied under bondage will be set loose. A lot of women that have been tied under bondage will be set loose. And a lot of atrocity that our people have done, they will confess. Oh God, now this is my joke. I saw about the car. Oh, I'm most to car. So we know. Oh, come can most to like me. Can waya o sieta? Can wa after wari ha ne? No, aya e ha ne sitalia. Oh, wa hatale ya fo. You understand? Whether the last year now where it get as cat back ya go go. It was just acting. It was just a... I did live video. Drama. Beautiful. When I listen to this woman, I believe when I listen to this woman, instant. Now, I want to ask more questions. How are we sure? How are you people sure? See, this one, which if they talk for man, so not be plan work again. If the display of Kate being manipulated, forming baby, using Monica's head, use baby head, talk to Monica's head and Abru's head, which name they be. Take display for social media, go post office, go send and go New Zealand. New Zealand is from South Africa. You understand? I Google everything that time. I mean, boss time for code, say, nah lie, you don't say anything. Now, so now plan with faith, now plan those things together, now plan work. So how do you expect us now to trust you? Say, this one where you see the talk of muscle, no be plan work, no Monica call you, bribe, una plan and come out again. Want to talk on social media. So you are the ask. Now you me ask this question. Since those concussions, what are those drama where you see in acts, you know, na film and you be the writer. You understand? Now Kate be the director. No, na Kate be the actor. You are the director. You understand? And you direct the movie where you and Kate act. Say na movie. How are we sure? Say this one where you talk so you don't still get director, you don't still get writer. Now you be the actor. We call the actor now. That one number one. Now listen. I come on me after plan before I will come expose you where for the world to know the kind of person where you be. Listen. The reason why they come out now call they talk this thing because Sarah they expose all their private undeal. They unveil all the secrets where they do behind doors. The secrets where Kate and this same woman do behind closed door. Sarah they unveil them. I mean go see on face on. It is time so. When of course I ever base now what Kate no start. What ye boy my woman now, what you do? Understand? Because you are home we boy one kind of now, but my ye boy but what you get what you no do start. Yeah, die. You understand? Oh God. Hey God. Now, this was Mary and Kate. I was once the of Ileledu talk show opened by Iye Boy. I was the teacher. I was the Benin teacher in that group. I was the Omunu in that group. You understand? I was the coordinator of that group with all these women. Osayemere was the coordinator of Senegal. You understand? Now, Osayemere is I'm not going to call her a trained nurse or auxiliary nurse. She married to an Igbo man in Senegal. This is a voice of truth. We'll be voice of truth, so we don't get truth from us. We don't use lies, spoil house. We don't focus on the Igbo man we marry. It comes in on social media or now you want focus on. On our worry who did be a gallo de yogo in here, lele social media, you know, you know what. Because of you bonoria you want to head. Why Derek would a solid in home, you understand? Why down here Osayemere? Osayemere was a member of Ileledu talk show. Kate was a member of Ileledu talk show. These same women, this same Osayemere now team up. She doesn't know how to speak Benin. She they come there, they come to learn Benin. She they always come the group, come to learn Benin. So this same voice of truth, she now team up from that same group and raise some from one of the members of the group, take them away and open another group of her own self. Start asking them to donate money for them to build an hospital, that is, to build a maternity in Benin Kingdom, for she to be operating, for them to bought a plot of land secretly out of Ileledu. Now, the Tina caused chaos. What a bust from Ileledu. No, women to women. Go. This one, they friend this one, this one, friend this one, this one toast this one, this one toast this one. What a bust. Osayevere now have a group. Some of the group in Ileledu now, based on, ye boy na person we body the pepper. Ye boy not settle down to understand where the problem was coming from. You understand? All these women now started flying out. Kids, now rat with the house, with the tell outsider, waiting the house. That is Kate for you. That is the kind of woman she are. This is where they talk. So when I call kids, when I call ye boy, you better to talk. Then the group scatter. When group scatter, I call ye boy to order. My sister, sit down. Let's reshuffle this leadership where you give all these women. Some of the women started to insult. If you talk in what you as a man go talk in what you could talk. All of them was just grab. Ye boy was blocking a lot of women out of the group. Anyone would they remove, they go to Sayemere. So anything where they discuss for the group, Kate was an informant. Kate, Baba with the smile want open up to you today. Say, I too know you go reach your posters with your yash. Now, not me, if I did talk like this, I did talk with evidence. Today, not today, my level don't change, Yeah, Joe, Major Montare not ikudire, Udira Barika Iquebe. Oh, mommy, JJ, Udi me de Dakar Janumaba. Obrimeru ativavo, Evareva Jurue, he babak bagaroe. Karajanumaba, he said, Warrior, Etiawa, Ketty, Yanzikobona. I just do my drink. Kate was an informant. Kate was Bobone. Why down here? Boy, my boy go here was he would just like you. He would just be telling you everything about herself. That's why Baba with this man, very, very careful and very, very intelligent and smart. Efeyi was the first person that left that group. Efeyi left that group, insulted everybody in the group. Insulted our but what would you work? Efeyi left the group. Now, Kate misbehaved. You understand? What happened? Ye boy no just want to share a group, share a post. I see the boy want to share post. I just calm down. As well with this man, I was investigating everything, trying to see where the problem is coming out from that group. Now, if I got discuss anything with a group with me, they go, Usayemere platform, bam. Usayemere page where you open. Anything we discuss. How could they carry this matter? How would they talk for here? They go Usayemere platform. You boy no. I pause. I dey observe all those women. Women plenty for the group. You come in Leledo, you see women, Sarah. Both Canada, UK, America, Germany, who Sarah in the group. About this man was investigating the matter, like to try to know what is happening. And as somebody bring Kate for that group, the person will bring Kate come the group. You know the group again, that one don't move. That one follows Sayene. Some of the men will like woman, they don't follow Sayene. A lot of my guys, as I talk to this group, they listen. Then they know what's in there. Bad guys. When they want to shop, and they see all those things. They're best. They follow all those things. Now so that they drive up and down. Calm down, say sure. I do observe. Observation chairman. Oh, toye. I did where I did. Look at the call. The next time I see my boy want chef leadership. So they give this one post, give this one post, give this one post. I just calm down. Immediately I should mention Kate. Kate is the coordinator of Bejo. Huh? Now I carry my phone. Now I come, my boy, say, my boy, that woman when you mention her name, say Kate. Now she go prompt to, now she go be the coordinator of Bejo. Now that woman is an evil woman. Why you want to say that one for? My boy, they quit a trust person. Oh, yeah, my guy, you quit a get a trust person. Oh, yeah, go carry on. Now say, Mama, anything we will talk about this group, that woman, now they remove her from this group. They go give her side house. He said, no lie. I mean, when he was told her, I say, Mama, I mean, test you. That woman, I format. I know what's not the talk. I get my facts. And I investigate things. You see, Frank sure. I said, Mama, sure. Too clearly, my investigation clear. Not be saying nothing. Over clear, your format, format, you know. You see how you group in us, format. Anything already as soon as you diagnose again. The next my boy blocker. As my boy blocker, the Kate move. Go meet FA. Go report my boy to FA. This one, Kate, so you don't donate 50 euro for the group. So the group will not pay money, put the blocker for the group. Make FA come saga, iye boy. When Kate forgets, say, iye boy, FA, and mama boy na, papa, picking and mama. And they listen to that time, mama boy, if FA did like, mama boy, they was a call in for FA platform. Now I remember when they talk so 2 years, I mean 3 years ago. So FA now, and then they give FA money, my FA come blow mama boy fire for social media. Not to saga, eh? FA, you have to call you boy. So don't call someone for my territory. You need to come and sack with you. Mama can provoke. Who can someone say kids? And my boy coaching. Follow FA. FA can say, Mama come. We'll settle this matter. If you don't want me fit, kids did the group again. Return 50 euro. Go give kids. And today I asked my boy call me. Say, see waiting the play. Say FA say one sagaramo. I say, if you want to guy you, I say, I better forget that thing which can't talk with that one. That one now, play a bit. You say, Frank, no, hey, joking. Hey, joking, answer. What do you do if you want to guy you? Say, now, Kate, carry matter, go give FA. I say, Kate, say, who be Kate? Say, that girl now, where I say, they bejo. I say, hey, okay, no, go. No, he don't say it. He don't say it. I say, yeah, boy, I'll tell you. I tell you this matter. You know what I believe me. I tell you, say that girl na evil. That girl na evil, na evil man. Because say, if I tell my boy, say, boy, reopen the girl again. Call it, open kids. Put kids for inside the group. Kids was still an informant, still packing all the things we did the group. Come on, me na smart guy. After Kate was blocked, we don't see anybody pack anything come out. Immediately they bring Kate inside the group. When they observe, when they use brain. Immediately, you'll be like, say, since where these rats come for your house, your meat's not lost. As the rats come, your meat started to loss. Who they thief the meat? Not be the rats. And see common sense, you not common. No distraction. Common sense is not common. Immediately, the rats come the house. The meat started the loss. Who they thief the meat? Not be the rats. Now I tell my boy, say, my sister come see me for outside the house. If you don't close for work, come see me for my boy can really come. Sit down. I say, babe, see. Again, your V formation barrier August Ayevere, which is Voice of Freedom. This time I tell you so, Ayevere never open Voice of Freedom for Facebook. Nobody know. Just the low key. Okay now. I can't not boy come fuck up for the group. Even my boy say fuck up. As my boy fuck up. Now I call chain. Right now, I did this group as I'm the man. So right now, boy, for making that statement, you are suspended from this group. Even though you open the group, I suspend you for 4 days. No talk for this group, no make anything, no write, no talk. We don't want to see you in this group. Boy, come serve the suspension. After boy finish the suspension, boy come in. We welcome boy back to the group. So right now, men who did the group, we need to respect ourselves so that these same women with the respect and not free day here, we're going to do when they quarrel like at the market when men in the house. I can't bring law enter the group. Compositions on laws. Anybody will violate them. These are your penalties. Kate, this ain't Kate. You violate the law. Who suspend Kate? Kate got chain. You see when me remove myself. Who suspend me? Who suspend me? And I say yes. I don't feel they group me women they insult me for group. I took the paro. Now you know now. We have like with the WhatsApp group. Now they mistake. Person correct me. Call the insult. If I go disgrace and disgone one, I not gonna know the best thing. I better respect myself. I remove myself, exit myself out of the group. And as I zip myself out of the group, the rest women, they say no. If Papa would smile, come for this group. Who want to teach us, Bini? Who want to teach us all this things they teach us? No, you must come back. They said they call me, they disturb me. I said, I don't want to know wahala. Since you don't want to take person advice. Oh, you want to take una carry our own group. Come on, I don't need group. I don't call Europe golf group. I want them my own. Wait till I want no. Person want teach you now. When I look when I leave me, they insist. All those women, the women, they call. I cause they call. When they come be like say, now me no pass. Not so okay. I don't hear. I'll come back. I come back. Kate, pick offense. They say Kate, pick offense. Bam. Waiting that when I come back, Kate violate the law. I give Kate a young penalty. Kate say, let me go give her penalty. When me exit myself move for the group, who give me penalty? You know, there's have any penalty. But this man I tell you so. Kate got chain. Say, no, there's have any penalty. Kate was the only evil woman on that group who can never take person's advice. Except he go feel say, now he gets expert. You understand? I can't look and say, now I can't tell my say, I can't tell you about this woman. This woman, and if you are still saying for that same group, Kate still diagnose all. Kate's not a bad person. It's written on her forehead. She's a beautiful woman. Without, no doubt about it. With her heart, she's a demonic person. Her evil heart now you get. That's why the reason why I always say a beautiful woman with an evil heart is a dirty woman. Not be hatred. And just your attitude they analyze. They analyze your attitude. You've done it to me for me to see and hear. So there's nothing you're going to tell me that I don't know about you. Because why? What the heart see is bigger than what your eyes can see. You the feel me so? So I called my boy say, yeah boy, a woman now. A woman no I group now. You know a group now. This particular woman, you know or atabe man, or ya atabe man, or atabe dia, or ya atabe. Na so de bobona. Na Kate B. Osayemere exit herself from the group, open her own group, but Kate was the one bombing everything on this group to that group. Where be say some of my paddy will be put for the group. And listen, no, my own guy man, my own tight guy man will be saying now so me and be we me put for the group. Yeah boy, no know anything. Yeah boy, just they do it, just they use the hard, they follow for the go you go just suspect people who don't even know anything, who just do their own thing. Who be the three demo was Kate. My guys all of the day with Sayere group. Because why? A lot of women, those women will swear where they don't follow Sayere. I will tell you the truth today. I think we need worry and the not Sayere because why? What's boss here already? Others say, hey, bido, kekana moloke de la mase. Bido, allo, de na kota musari du. Bido, allo, de wono ne unse, be o ko de no ne unse. So when those things were not allowed in the group, they coaching. Now there all those women coaching. They have to go and open their own group, which is Sayere. So those women when they always talk about Ekia. You know, very loose. I very. I think you're not telling Ekia. You cannot be saying Ekia. Ya kiwa nisan. I think we need war. I think we are no. You know, very loose. I very. I think you're not break Ekia. We do. Ekia not block in anywhere. They not stop. They not see you. They say. We do. Hello. Kuenove, kuenesiye, ni no yenye se. Wagi magbido tana. Bido. Hello. Wati hello. Eje, ko pe ale tepu. Ki no tan, de no sale ki ayo se. Wa sa me. So all of the pack mo for the talk show. They go here for the bido hello. Quelqu'un non bolo qui non tepu de non kalo you say I did the remaining one we remain we gathered together for the Lego talk show with the user and the follow-up. Kate was still in the group. Anything you diagnose for the group, because now WhatsApp call, now WhatsApp group, they play voice record for the WhatsApp. Play voice record come. The one who when talk, you go forward and go to the group. You know what this one talk? Now be work. Kate. I see Kate. For that gate. Make we relate. Make we not separate. Not intimidate. You dey feel me so? Kate now everybody. Now, after set have done, Kate forget to say, for inside that same group where they dey, person still dey will be say, he dey here. You understand me now? You understand me now? Person not know, say, but they don't, even say they don't know. Say the group where she open, person still dey that same group. Where he did that group, he constantly dey do. Where be my party? We go see collect wetin they diagnose for that side, diagnose and come this side. That's why I do like this. I dey look. Guy, how far? Who they remove things way for here? Now Kate. Man we get sense. He could only tell you how far. But what's here? I don't know we always go. No we things up now. Gary, don't worry. I'll give you info. Normal level with the reason to together. Everywhere is still. We know women will spoil. We know women will get bright. We get pride. So that's the level of talk shows. Equally, you know that. Not the responsible. You know that. For you say that, you don't let the talk show. But don't you see all those who will be see they go pretend? I know why I suppose because now only Kate and so every day this thing matter involved. If not be so, I go talk many things. My boy go surprise for us. He go shock. Your boy go shock. Because if I talk, open the mouth, make I talk, you go shock. You say you where they do, me where they do my own. They go say, Okomasa Obo, hey, all to sort of as I come on for the group, I told you. Only one woman I toast for that group. As I toast the woman, the reason why I don't friend the woman say make I call lick bekus. He saying you can't greet me for us off. If I come, you waiting in the light now to lick bekus. That's my guy. May they teach you ileledo. You dey say me can't lick your bekus. Are you mad? He said, bros, forget that let the talk shit. You know, say you will lick my bekus. No continue the relationship. That's my guy. No, we know they continue the relationship. Let's come and speed. I don't agree. I don't want to make sure you know. Yeah, boy, you know. Now she carry my matter for her. They sat down them. Anything I do, go they quarrel with me for that group. Like, see, maybe me and him first for grand before. Because I said all the lick bekus. As I come over the group, I told you, if I toast on my queen, if I toast on my queen, all the people with the smile. When you go here, the group with me, now with the song, toast, but you what the group with me, when me. When me work bass, me never wrong. How you only toast my go the group? You know that, unless it's the husband, I don't know what the mega one. Abuna. The rest of that, I be the, cannot, but I cannot get up, because I culture with them. Hey, they were like group break back. The red group on your matter how. Maybe back by group related bar. I know if I want to start my like the group. You boy, they why you need a move. What the fuck is the way a group with you? The real men will get sense. Reasonable men did that group in Agua. The higher they can do the memory. Zigbini. We believe you. I mean, even some women, women will get sex for that same group where they follow you, boy. Yeah, remember, where a group where a group now bomb, no. She's my sister. If I open my own personal group, a group in Wafo, the same thing as I ever do. If the boss I ever open group, boom, come out, people will follow on, say me open group of four. Awful. This is a group where they talk so. Okay, this other group. Nobody should call. Why you going now? You got a call. The same group where they talk so. Okay, we group on a lot of men. Izobo Bada we group on it. Izobo Bada was the hero. Why? Me ma take I Izobo Wabono. I Zizo Yana Zigo Izobo Bada Yana wa Izobo Bada Yana wa. Yana ni go Izobo Bada. Yeah, you know Izobo Bada I will off this phone. Somebody should come in. Ils ont better this one walk be mais ebuluku ti ho. This man Juju man. I tell my chief ils ont better. Mais na ati e ronere chief no. Ah. Na me come on once no be no vessel. This man obo. Obo ero wa group now. Hey, that's it already. Now thank God the mazigo. Nezigo we no bo. Yeah. Bon, now, now from there, I started to study Zobobada. From there, I started to investigate Zobobada. You the famous so before I can say, Zobobada is a girl of an home. I could even get in your group. I could see follow your group, the observer. I could see these are the people when they fraud our women money for Europe. All those Nigeria are doing the group. Foundation of community of group. And the people where they open on Nigeria today, the people where they put in now Benin women who are saying all the week we do. The same people will fight themselves for Nigeria because of the money they donate for them. Man, I will open some vast we go shock all of them. About this man, I get a lot of things for this. If I open now, I'm gonna see waiting our old women, our body again, no Nigeria, our obey WhatsApp. Obey WhatsApp. What did they use our women to do for abroad? You go to share. Irare, call me. Monosu wabi. Irare, call me. I be calling. Do what man yes, call one can look back wala. Don't be wasting your money for people that are still laying cost on you. Izobo Bada was laying cost on the people in the diaspora and it was collecting money for the people in the diaspora. You know, people going on here. This same Kate was still inside that group before Kate started live video. This is why I tell you, Kate, in live video was not a presenter. He was not a presenter. He was on fake account. He was on real account. He's a Kate. No live video presenter where Kate not follow. Fake account of your own. Tout est. Je vous connais. Ah bon. This time Osayemere now and the group, the team up, they were not the group of Osayemere was not donating money. Why? Because Osayemere come inside Ileledo talk show. He can't see the money when they donate for Ileledo talk show. Now listen, I go talk about this man. Share this video. Let me go viral. Yeah, you go now. Are you boy? I can't tell. Oh, we are in Nigeria. What we use this money for? And I want to register the group. Ileledo talk show. We want to register Ileledo talk show. We are you born. Erowa Zobobada. So people were bringing money. Some people bring €50, €100, €50. You know those people, they know the once they release it, say, okay, this thing is really they see they'll bring accounts come. They put money. Ah! Because I ever get the go ya let do talk show bang. Even with the Senegal up why? Now waiting why cost Sayemere. Where they call itself voice of truth. Open eye. Now so Sayemere are for command bang. You open WhatsApp group. Gang. You call the tell people. You go to call people secretly. The couple was secretly, and so they pick people for inside that same Ileledo. People were sleeping there, people were not saying they quickly donate money. He picked them. Sharp, sharp. He carried Johnny side, bam. He gets Nandi by him. All of them. They go one side. Yeah, but that time, yeah, boy, called the brutal. Yeah, boy, the verse. Yeah, boy, now shout. Because of what? Because of what? This one where they talk say, yeah, man, you go on the saga. Yeah, man, you need the saga. Yeah, man, you say saga na for children. Saga is not for church play. If you know, if you're ready for saga, you go ready to carry your family on social media. When they beat them first, before you beat another person. You don't feel me so? I curse I lock up. I just lose on me, sharp guy. I see this money with the just bring console. Now I die for this woman. You die, you're loud. But what's happening? You boy go come. You boy calm down. You know something why I in the group. You little do. Something kunyakba. Yeah, open group. Yeah, maternity home. Maternity home. Can now big one in Nigeria. They want to open free hospital for Nigeria. Maybe they donate money. Maybe they go buy a plot of land. All our women, I mean, when you got a group, you more but away. You know, someone you go inside. I do my hand like this, and they look there. I come my eye like this, and they look there. I thought they look there. I'll be another testimony, not inside this year. Inside this year, the next year, I say, was I the open page, bang. Because why? You see what's happening when they talk so? What's happening? Talk? All these things when you say a voice of truth, you are a voice of lie. Also, this page is not the voice of lie, not the voice of truth. Edo voice of lie. Sayonara is the Edo voice of lie. Oh, we don't know about Mosokwi. Temata, where do you get that? Temata kinuguye boido with Leledo. You came out with Leledo. Temata kinuguye boido. We really don't have a group. You know, in a hospital, a nurse okay, you are a nurse, auxiliary nurse. You marry a man. Now you talk all your life story for Leledo. From there, you carry all the people with Leledo, carry join your body. Go there, pass the money. Then I want to go build off hospital for Nigeria for the less privilege. The same they told them now, where are those people? They don't live on. Now, this Kate so. I bet Kate now you give them board. I come to the scene. You want to be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. All those women, some of our women are ashamed for some of our women. I tell us, look, how can I be in? Okay, that's a cause. I will not say it do. Or your own do we go. I will not why it do. Or your own do we go. I dare you kidding him. How can you be in Europe? Is somebody who is in South Africa. It will now open a group for you to be following her. So that you will be using your money to do help the less privileged. You were there abroad. Who come and don't throw wear up. But now they go tell you so that the wise pass. I mean, only a Katie. You don't know how my live video, you don't know how to preach. Also, Katie, I will need to eat the bucket with Jesus. You don't know. I could just look you. When you know you're South Africa, no matter like Webo, or you're South Africa, or you wear one man, or you bring away one man. If they remove you from the group where you did, how do you go to South Africa? Go give you post for there. Agboya gbeguda when I beg you. Agboya lagukba when I lag baby. When I go to rejoice. When I go to lagukba. Not because. Now the character want to behave. How can you imagine person where they South Africa? They call the plant. They call the right script for you being on the art. To the bully person where your fellow person where they for Europe or UK. I'm not sure we are in Europe or not UK. On the Lagodao. She didn't go to South Africa. She didn't go to Senegal. Kate will go now. A Monica Maria Senegal, a Monica Maria South Africa, a Monica Maria Togo, a Monica Maria Vicos. Monica moved from Holland to UK. She upgrade, even though you upgrade on Zoa level. Because even though she upgrade, she not still get sense. Because what? It's a sucker because. You understand? It's a sucker because. And Monica, you upgrade for you as a kids were Benjo. You couldn't upgrade. We're going to live video. Kids, you know that we all know your secrets. But a cat, you are the only woman in Medegi. Never be me your call. Ebo ye bu where you borrow a bank. You ye pay it today. You might pay for. Before okay, ya mia bokinu marina. Tell us how Ebo ya bo me your call a live video. Come out, say it out. Now come live, they call it paint the good side of now. Talk the people. Let the people learn from your past mistake. Let our people learn from your past mistake. No, they can't, they paint yourself too good. It there everybody body. It there all our body. All of us get bad record. In one way or the other. But tell the people your past mistake. They know when you go call it. Tell the people. I will not hear what you call. Any bobo me call. Or be understand me now. That will not be juju. Now you go still come and call the talk say, so this one be, so this one be. What is that boy? If you are a man, be a man. If you are a woman, be a woman. Ye boy no. Oh, that way, Osani Monica, Osalobade Monica, Monica game my. Ya wa was wa wa mumi. Where we boy. We go again why. Because why you dege? When the day beginning of a new survey, Vao Italy, how can you be Europe? You are a blunt person forever. You are a big blunt person. Who are one? Who are where's it? Who are so ever? It's a shame for you people. Having a document without having brain, you have cassava leaf. Cassava leaf, now you carry for hand. So, all you wire for your career social media, all you work with your career social media. How can you people just be an old cargo for nothing? Cargo is good to carry load. Why were old cargo for many years? You got one no brain. When I like when you don't apologize, apologizing to who? After you humiliate people, all because of Kate. Because why Kate is donating to your orphanage, you think we don't know? You are coming out now. Sayeri, don't be silly, my dear. You think we on the social media they don't have brain? So we one we are moving boy one, we are don't know him on the social media. You and Kate are 5 and 6. Kate is in your group. He has donated a lot to your group, you know. So even listen to me. Before because when I go in live video, have it in mind where there are people who have brain who can listen, who can analyze your words that comes out of your mouth very clearly to people to understand where you are coming from and where you are going to. Okay? So down why that no more? Understand? The same you. Kate, according to your knowledge, who are Kate who are kumbo. Who are kumbo. Ekbon wakun, wana balon balay, wana monica. No way I'm on high monica, we went on a village. We have more high on a red baby. Can you imagine? When you're rebel, you have a yegan, now Zena ye team well. When you're rebel, the day and I move 7 o'clock, so 1 2 day. When we are more high on a rebel, Ramore will back about winner. No, we are more high on it. Then, when they're running. On woman will don't know him who you might be. On not get to work if you are a every am higher be. On know you work with million madame, every other more higher be. On a spirit look at the book, every other more higher be. I ever do not go down your way. Why can't you have do what they really get by. A Monica, you big again for years, they were the more higher be. E Monica de madam mo aje bono do gbe won pala apapo ipale yawe bo. Ewe ado mo ayo egbe. E Monica na zen wo so ho ne mpo ewe ado mo ayo egbe. E Monica no mo ya soko yan ewe ado mo ayo egbe. Ko yi la regbe o. Madam mo ayo egbe. Now you get sense pass because you wise. Monica no again. We what we no gbe go. E we ado mo ayo egbe. We see. E ma mo ayo ba ko mo ayo. We to bu ma ya Monica to bo ma ka. Bo yan mo Monica. E Monica mo we. You supposed to be afraid of Monica. You understand? Because Monica ne ade. E Monica won no bia ne. E Monica be vie no wa. E Monica go gbe ne wa na gbe ne wa me. Ogun na go de ogun do mo we. Hey. Call sister Laeze o. E ma mo awe. Ogun na ti we godfather ge o no do mo awe. E ma mo awe call ye. E re gbo e o. O mo awe wa ko e. We se Laeze mi osuba. Akun amo ayo egbe. We se David no nya ni Monica Maika mi Monica na me na today na give 100. Ama mo awe. O mo awe ya we. Sai very no ga because no ga in Senegal. Ama mo e ma yo Nigeria ma yo Senegal ya mo ha. We say Monica ye gbe ran gbiri ni Nigeria ma mo e ma yo Nigeria. Ekeni pa gbe ran se Nigeria Monica ma mo e. Ama we no Senegal no ma wa ka. We say o wa ma mo ki o mo bi ele legbe. Senegal wa do fi kwa ni Monica do ya mo awe. Ugo agun do wa yan agbelebo ma o wa ozo wa gugun. Do you know when kids started supporting Monica? You think it's this month? So you may learn down now. Let me talk to you guys. Oh God, I wish you really know the kind of person we are. Not for not they misbehave for this social media. I wish you not really know the kind of person we are. Not for not they misbehave for this social media. You know when kids started to support Monica. You know when kids started to dance to Monica's side. You say I don't know. Okay. Una think say I don't know. I don't voice of truth. Who are not get sense. I put my hand like this. I look now. You know why I don't strike kids is there? I want me to expose herself finish by herself. So that I can beat her. I don't know what they beat her put. The reason why I don't strike kids when I say they dance to Monica's side. If they dance to Monica, you still get one blogger now where they wait for. Where I will beat that blogger finish. When I want to support Monica, when I support Monica, as when I support Monica, and when I will beat that blogger finish for the social media, I will be a legal blogger. Hello. I agree to real live video. Yeah. Okay. You understand? One blogger just did now. I see him. That's why I do my eye at this. I look you. Blogger, I look you. If you want to be blogger, don't get permanent friend, don't get permanent enemy. Just balance yourself. If you want to analyze this, you analyze it the two ways. But my focus is on Monica and his group and his gang. I don't get issue with that person. I mean Monica, I don't get issue. Yeah, I beg most bon. You understand? All those GPC, I hear you are group, when according to the right message, I'm not sending now. If you don't tag my inbox, don't fool. People don't go see space. You don't see another block with them. And they block them, say by myself. Now keep telling you people the truth about I hear you are. You understand? Do you know they by Monica? Who cares when they by Monica? Nika so go wene. Say very. You understand? Who also have my monkey? Who was you uzo? Anything you do, my. So if you want to come to Monica team, if you want to come to Monica team, just write application and come straightly. Then you ready to face all of una team together. Yeah, go wire. But bola wa gbe we no wia. Ani ni ku mu. Owo no ni gbe ko ni gbe oko wodo. Ezu social media. Owo ni gbe oko wodo. Ezu social media. Choose that set of women. prostitute women, avec Biagano, avec Zanz Squad Association. You don't know what? Let me hear now video first. I'm I did all of my body right now. I want to really face now. I think only no Google why I go, but below of why I never go here. Why you do a guale serious relationship with Igbo but Bola was Igbo Jana did Buade. What the Kakabo would do why the Monica? Ibuade. The Monica no way yet do our money, I open a big money with you. But you quite trouble in my hands. But Bola was we. Buwak by. I want you one mama. Can't be no one on me. I go. Say, the Uga like a boy. When he married a swing, this is a sad, straight warning to you. Call yourself voice of freedom. You understand? If you like yourself and carry your picking, you entice ass and lock yourself. If you like yourself, this one a straight warning to you. Osayene wa dami omena unda weke na eli lari ik me abok by a boss yo ando agba bi se ne boliti ne unda we na ka bi ko mewe aga lunwo me gitari yo oweta ya wo dami omena listen carefully uga like a boy la owa. You see that concussion that nyama live video no ni if you like yourself enter your room straight direct you can really go on you are on nothing you know hate you when you will not like me. You understand? Adam yo eliru okpon edbuluku no joko okoto we okoto. You understand? Okoto ege okoto we ga lelewe hon o ga lelewe hon ifagbo. So look here and get inside. Get inside and shut up your mouth and close your dirty doors. Because if I come out for you, you know you like me. You understand me so? You cannot come out. Who will be the current president? Who will be the life? Who will be the social media president? I was watching you. So get inside. Don't come out on live video and come and do those your cook and boast stupid apologies videos. After one of your violent when you are deceiving my amigo. So come, look here, enter his house. Don't let me talk to you. Funa make me vex. I really settle down right topic with Funa. Na know me. You got a battle. A very when I topic on women. I want the record person at the right topic. Because I get better things for this man to think, to write, than to call the carry phone and record people. Privacy. I don't do that. If I start to write your story, if you make me carry battle, spend 30 minutes write your story, I'll burn away. I'll say, I will video make me. I write my story, never not forget. After my writing, I rehearse. That's about this man for you. I'm a live video presenter, I rehearse. I go for rehearsal. I carry me on the face myself. I do my rehearsal peacefully. And when I come ahead, not a big mistake. Obio, they get me so if you want to learn work, I will teach you work. Do you understand? If you like yourself, carry your picking, enter his house. Hey, boy, you know my sister. I was ashamed of you the other day when I said they dance with your picking for social media. I was ashamed of you. I said, Jesus. I keep page you know social media. My guy or my girl, I get you be. After I enter house, don't let about this man come talk. My own ego, because nonsense you know of your view to. You might only go out is there. You know what I go on boy. Or say, when I only go again. Would they even know video say, go away, must say away because you are going to boy and leave right. Look here. You use your head. You understand me so? Use your head. You understand? Obey you. And I'm picture away. My people agree to now, but that's not. This is about this. Now, I my drink. I want you. You understand? So, a kid. In my only Google one. Yeah, I see I don't know that way. I die for. The reason why I will still giving you some regard, Kate, that your man, we not see it. It's because of one of your friends. One of your friends, or say walk back, and die respect no way. You understand? Because of her, that's the reason why I still take my mouth shut. Kate, when I get social media now, social media no me na. Even Monica, I'm not you boy you. You got Monica like white be. Now all of now I go red. I mean they tell you now when I take contract, in Monica. Understand? Say Monica fee way I tell you, I'm gonna go yen go. You block a page on. Mami Monica, okay, my name is Big here. So when you work, be se you know, I agree with when dole guy, yeah, go. I tell you the truth. That's the reason why I did the draw and you warning me. I did the waro. Ni my mean, Nick body low. In a carry warning and yamin Nick Wimu. It didn't want any amount of me. Again, ya moving a yiki, that you may not be a yiki. Oh God, I look on the laugh because it kisses Monica. Yeah, Johnny. If my me you, if you like them, message Monica. Or when I suck, because I was here, Mamma. GPC, Ibiaga. GPC, even if you can go. GPC, you know what no way. GPC, I hear you. GPC, you know you like both social media. GPC, Ari Biaga Squad Association. GPC, Ari Unison. GPC, Ari Uni via Gassi La Webo. Il y a des gars là où les gars qui paient pour les matchs au Bénin. GPC, avec on est bel gars il y a posto. Va bon là ouais bi. Et bien il y a pour ça de ce signe. Aba so comme lo, aba woko. C'est sister de Bolové, oh brother a Bolové. Ben on va le set your vein now we va bon là ouais wa go. But we this man I see one thing. Avec Biaga Sport Association. They know why we know there. And you was if I want. Let me go there. Sister do polo, GPC ga polo. Baba we this man. Ya we no better. Ya we no better utana. God, I don't vex. GPC you go on below. God, where is my guitar? My guitar, where you there? Where are there? Where are there, GPC? Biaga Squad Association. Oh yeah, let's go there. Sister do bolo oh. Ije, Osetina. GPC bolo Memega bolo oh. Bolo Arrive bolo oh, Monica do bolo money is a bolo Monica, where we are be Monica, where go oh, money do bolo ayo yo wa money do bolo money is a bolo I know. If you are not special, money ga bolo when you are shege, iya bole buheni, uwe no gigbanu muriagbon, shege, are shege ni re UK, waga bole ọmọ ki o wa nenu waga bolo, orije Edo Festival Award, iya na bole Iyan bole iyan dawon enewe asoko na iyan na me odogba limu inare na da fun o da fun mere UK orin aya do doji na me ri ma do wa re o do odo me kere ere ni ya se ra bolo me do me bolo me odo me kin yen se o odo me kin yen se don't make it so bolo Egiye babe. Obulube. Egiye babe. Iye niye. Ogbowo niye me. Ariyo ni sawọn na ṣẹṣẹ eya yuku gbagba tako komo na yan tako boy le obie no do we bu me ma emi owo no ka dore ola di ave pe ture owi ye ki ogo owo go ye ki oda fi yen yi GPC eyin na emi o GPC eyin na emi o ya do nu zo mo wa da we ore Pamuru na oyi edo owo no la jan pepe ture we yen pe oda fi yen yogo eri ri edo popo lele pepe ture o oni ga bolo sister ga bolo bolo eri ye ba we esansan eri ye ba we Avec Zaza Squad Association. Iyonisa. One more radio webu, no do we got 200 and something million, no pay no after you pay for them, one not go bali me. No deporting Yagari Nigeria. They know one hand waiting and a goni ya de you want. No matter about you keep. Wawaknya ya gbanuwa ehundawe eke na hame lalaha ewa kezo woyi eke ne problemi kiswen eminuwa udogye oloruwa nibu esaga seti gbowa depression waya beg for forgiveness waya beg for forgiveness sister abolo brother do bolo bolo eriri ewawe bolo Eriri ewawe o, para bolo wona rowodo, para bolo na rowodo, GPC iyan ni rowodo, iyan wa bolo nya dafiyan, unda sugar boda fiyan ni, o dafiyan, eri setting rikalo, eri setting rikiye, tuna ni de jedi, jedi. Yadeli sugar no gamu ose na mi woda fun wa setting we ri ropa okiti 1 2 3 oh ja okiti 1 2 3 oh ja sister ya bolo father no bolo yes so my people I go to know peace of mind with love. This is from Victor the Umewe, one of the universe, aka the social media king, the social media Kubana, the social media Otutu. Now we know why the social media bomo. I just do my drink. How are you? Yes, so join me on Baba with the Smile. Go to Baba with the Smile. Go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Baba with the Smile. Because why? There before Zanza. You know, yeah, Zanza. Now, saga continue. Let's go there. Let's go to Baba with the Smile. Let's go and Zanzarazis and Boborazis. We understand me now? What already? I mean, you know, and the wind see. I see you, my brother. You understand? I greet all of you with love, with peace of mind. This is from Victor, your homeboy. You know, respect to you all. It's time for those of you that are good, those of you that know your words. In the famous, those of you that are married and responsible. You understand me? So, who's one want to take husband, husband, they cheat? God bless all of them. I mean, stay safe, stay cool, stay calculating. You understand what I'm saying? Yes, so I remember your homeboy, Baba with the Smile. I just tell my truth.